Good day everybody, and today we're in the lovely charming village of Chiri Burton. I thought I'd kick this off with a recipe for love, a cup of romance, a pinch of humour, 2 spoonfuls of joy, a pound of compatibility, a cup of respect, half a pound of sharing, a zest of tenderness, and 3/4 of a cup of patience. And a dog called Lupin. Hello Lupin. Can't see him, he's in the shadow. It's a bit warm today everybody, it's rather warm. Probably the warmest day of the year so far. And here's a little thing about Easter bunnies that I can't quite read. What do you call a bunny with something? With fleas? Bugs Bunny. Okay, very good. Lupin. Cute little display thing. Very nice. And a little scarecrow. Well, that's a nice welcome into the village, isn't it? You know how much I love a village hall notice board to see what the hell's going on at Chiri Burton Arts. Friday 10th of October, Rapture, a party band. 24th of October, Midnight Flyers, another band. On the 15th, the Beatles and Rolling Stones night. Very good. Annual general meeting. Karate, yoga, physiotherapist-led exercise class, and a wine club. Very cool. 2025 programme of the Chiri Burton Wine Club. Portuguese cruise, wine and cheese whist, a southern French wine. 7th of May, heard it on the grapevine. 4th of June, Greek wines. Rhine cruise, no meeting in August. Malte Benevino, South American cruise. Beaujolais, Neveu and other wines. Golden celebration, competitions. Liqueur, gin-based liqueur. Wow, there you go. Get yourself along. And you can go to Tai Chi and Qigong class. Who doesn't love a good old village notice board? Beautiful. Nice view of Chiri Burton from above. It's a stunning day. It's about 18 degrees. I do have sun cream on. Me and the wife went for cocktails at Beverley a couple of weeks ago. Outside for 10 minutes and I burned. Had to come inside because it was too hot for me. Nice temperature for Lupin though, he's quite he's quite enjoying it. Right, you Loops. Olaf the Viking live at St Michael's, Chiri Burton. Saturday 17th of May. Wow. Guess he turns up and does Viking stuff. Looks pretty cool, doesn't it? Beverley Male Voice Choir and the Penderous Male Choir at St Mary's in Beverley. And then the Beverley Male Voice Choir again. Local advertising. The old reading room. Hey, Loops. It's a very quiet day. I mean, I would expect it to be quiet in a little village like Chiri Burton. Oh, I found a pub. The Bear Horse. Is it open? That's the question. No, it's not a Thatcher's. It's a Hobgoblin IPA. Half thereof. Lovely stuff. It's a very nice pub. Do pizzas, home cooked food. Nice selection of ales in there. Lovely stuff. And of course, a lovely beer garden. Whilst I've got you, I need your help. If you know of anything that's particularly exciting going on, North Yorkshire, East Yorkshire area, maybe further afield if it is that interesting, please let me know. Because I've literally gone on like East Yorkshire, North Yorkshire, what's on? Can't find anything. Like, Even Whitby, I've searched for like famous ships that might be visiting the town. Can't find anything. Maybe I'm looking in the wrong places. So if you do know of anything, please let me know. Follow me on Instagram, @Lupin's Walking Tours. Follow me on Instagram, send me a message, let me know of any cool places to go. Or a comment on this video. Just anything exciting. Anything you think, wow, that'd be really cool, but I can't go. I'll go for you and I'll record it and I'll let you know what it was like. Let me know, please. It's another telephone box. It's been made into a book swap. Bring a book, take a book, bring it back, take another book. Very cool. Here's a little bit about Chiri Burton. The Anglian settlement of Burton was known around 1200 AD as North Burton, to distinguish it from its southern neighbour, Bishop Burton, and from the C15 as Chiri Burton, probably from some cherry on other trees in the neighbourhood, to avoid confusion with North Burton on Burton Fleming. That's written well, isn't it? Probably from some cherry on some trees in the neighbourhood. Very good. I mean, it's a theory, innit? So I like it. I also like this information board. There's loads of stuff on here. Obviously not going to read all this out. Come and have a look yourself. Lost villages. The parish contains 3 deserted hamlets: Ravensthorpe to the east of Chiri Burton and Gardham and Newton to the west. There you go. Lost places. Supernatural phenomena. On 3 separate occasions between 1684 and 1702, 2 suns were seen in the sky above the village and violent tempests of wind were also experienced. Goodness me. The Bay Horse, where I've just been, in the late 18th century there were usually 2 or 3 licensed houses in Chiri Burton. Now only the Bay Horse remains. It's been known by this name since 1823. Wow. Very old pub. Looking at the Chiri Burton Parish Council notes, the #1 issue in order was dog fouling. Beautiful duck pond and a little fountain. Oh, I'm interested in you, Lupin. We're just interested in each other, all like. Get in the bus. Well, you do well. There's a bus to Middleton Robin Hood Inn. A bus to a pub, of which there are 1 of Monday to Friday and 1 of on a Saturday. There you go. There's a little budgeons here in case you come and you're in desperate need of sustenance, including a bucket of flowers. Lovely little village, Chiri Burton, on a rather lovely day like this. Yeah, so if you're passing through here, you might be on a long walk or something. I know there is like a railway walk near here, so if you're on there, just want to pass into Chiri Burton for some sustenance, for a rest. There's a pub, there's a shop. More do you need? There is a caravan park around here as well, which I've recently discovered, so worth checking that out. Please do let me know of any places to go to this year, now that the weather's getting really good and things start opening up again. As I said, Whitby, if there's any ships passing through Whitby, like that old galleon that we went on, please let me know. Follow me on Instagram, @Lupin's Walking Tours, or leave a comment on this video, let me know places to go and I'll pop over there. Lupin's very warm, I'm very warm, so please give me a like, please give me a subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you, bye.